Hey, YouTube Diesel Dan Peters here. So we are back with more content. Take a look what's back. And in the new shop, I really gotta ask what my garage shed is. I ordered with the help of my fiance and her dad as well, a 24 by 12 garage shed, which would be perfect right on the side of our property. I'll be able to put all of my toys and stuff, garden equipment, pretty much everything in there. You know, that way I could just clear out everything that's in the trailer too. I can use the trailer as backup room and space, but that's not what the video's going to be about today. We are doing the full speaker upgrade in here, which would be nice. So I'm going to start off with taking out this deck. Let me clean up this lens. These lenses just don't last. But thank God I get them, because otherwise I would have went through probably a few hundred of them at this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you up in here on time lapse. We're going to remove this. We're going to take a look at the wiring. I just want to see how everything was wired in, and go from there pretty much. We're also going to take a look at the tweeters. That's pretty much everything. Just take a look how everything is wired up. My goal, I really don't have like a goal, but we'll see how far we get this morning. Fortunately, it's raining outside and I'm on night shift, so that doesn't help. So getting stuff done is just a little harder. So got my power tools ready to go. Bring you all in here. Alright, let's get the time lapse going. And once we get this out and I kind of have an idea of how the wiring was, I'm going to see where we're going to go with the wiring. Most likely, I'm just going to end up putting all new wire in, honestly, because there's internal amps in this Denali, and I don't really want to mess with those, so let's get her done. I guess I will show you all, because time lapse is probably going to be indefinite after I start. Let's take a look what we're working with. Open that up there. So we have a Crunch amp. This should be the four channel amp. That'll be perfect for the door speakers. It'll sound really nice. Got the Boss mono amp for the sub, 8-inch sub. Some door speakers here. Nice. Some Boss wiring here, 8 gauge. Some more speaker wire. Some more speakers here, more Harmony speakers. Let's take a look at this visual. Oh, these are the Alpine right here. New Alpine tweeters. These should sound really nice. Love Alpine. Can never really beat them. So game plan, like I said, I'm just going to analyze how everything is, and then I'm just going to start taking door panels apart. Honestly, running the wire in will probably be the hardest part. So let's get her going. I'm going to get the heat back on in here, replace the battery in the GoPro, put my music back on, and away we go. Stay tuned, YouTube. Dan Peters signing out until the time lapse.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, Pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want. This time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want. Let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again. Pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want. This time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want. Let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it would take a miracle now to fix the problems. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you're broken my
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So we're back with another video. A little unboxing of a Scar audio subwoofer box. Never mind. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Let me reposition the box because the first time I did that, I had my address right there. Alright, so we're doing a little unboxing of the subwoofer box. Thank God for this.
Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky. Find me on this journey.